Hello guys, this is Crypto Dutchie and welcome back to my third audit actually. And my second only audit video for another trade that I started 2 days ago, I think. It's the AMC Entertainment Holdings. And I will tell you why I entered this trade. It does not have the strongest fundamentals, but I think the risk reward was so good on this one. If it gets stopped out on this one, it doesn't matter at all actually. So let's see why I went for this trade. Let's start on the weekly again. Now patterns, yeah, we have this resistance line here that was trying to get tested. We are still not above this resistance line over here, but yeah, it looks like it's gonna break it, and mostly because we are making a triple bottom here. Almost, we made a double bottom, and now we are testing it for the third time. Now we are hoping to hold this line. If it goes below this resistance line over here, then we will just go out of the trade, because then it can go way lower. Now the thing is with this stock, it is now $2, and once this stock was actually $35. We are so close to zero that the upside potential, zero is over here, that the upside potential is getting higher and higher on this stock. And of course, I don't know anything about the stock. I don't know if they are having a bad time or not, but the risk to reward is so high that I actually started this trade, and I put $1,000 of my paper trading account into this stock. What do we see else on the weekly? So we went over the patterns. Well, maybe you can see an X, A, B, C, D, or X, A, B, C, and then maybe we're gonna make D now. But I'm not sure. Or the bigger picture is maybe X, A, B, C, D. So we go up again now. Not sure. I don't think I found any pattern that looks like it, but maybe there is a pattern. So patterns and stuff we have done. The horizontal resistance lines are plotted on the chart. There is a nice one here as well. And based on history, I mean, it could go back to 19, but then we will be out of the trade already. That can take way too long. So now we are going to look at the divergences. We made a triple bottom. From this bottom to this bottom, this is slightly higher. We made a higher low on the MACD and the RSI, as you can see here. The RSI as well, it's going upwards. That's a good indication. And from this low to this low, this one is a bit lower than this one, we make even more bullish divergence, also on the RSI and on the MACD, which also indicates seller exhaustion over here. So the bottoms over here on this big resistance line is getting worn out, and that is good. Maybe that means that we go to the upside again. So let's have a look at the daily as well. Also on the daily chart we have bullish divergence on the MACD from this low. Well, actually it's more this low to this low. It's going higher. And on the RSI from this low to this low, lower low, but higher high, higher low on the RSI. So that means more upward potential also on the daily. So on the weekly and on the daily, we can make an argument to start this trade. Now, why did I enter here? Because I just saw it when I entered over here. I think it's 3 days ago. And yeah, if we get stopped out, we lose 17%, we lose $170. But if we make it to the first target, we make a lot of money, 72%. And yeah, it's going to take maybe some time. We need to cross this weekly resistance again. Now on the daily it doesn't look good, but on the weekly it did look good. So let's keep that one over here. And yeah, my targets are just to every resistance line on the weekly, and that's what I did. You can see that there is a big resistance and support over here. So then I go a bit under it to make sure I get my profits. And also from this line over here, see it stopped here. bounced here before it dumped. And yeah, also that's my second target, and the third target is below this resistance line where the price dumped to over here. And I can put on the Fibonacci line, maybe it lines up as well. Let's see. Yeah, somewhat. So we don't even continue until the 0.5 Fibonacci line. We just want to be out of this trade because we have 362%. You can see the first target will sell 50% and then 25% and another 25% over here. Well, that is AMC Entertainment. Let's see what it's going to do. At the moment it's up right now, but this can change every week. And when it hits a target or gets stopped out, I will make a new video. In the next video we go over Ford, I think. Ford, yeah, we go over Ford and why I entered that trade. So thanks for watching, like the video, subscribe and join the Discord channel. Let's try to build a trading community there. And yeah, maybe we can make something of it. And hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.